Welcome to Food Formulas. Let's make cake rusk dessert. Take a pan and add 1½ glass milk. Add 2 tablespoons sugar. Give it a mix. Add 1 teaspoon cocoa powder. Mix it until lumps disappear. Now add 1/4 teaspoon coffee powder. Once it starts boiling, turn off the flame. Take a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons milk, 10 grams of chocolate, 1/4 teaspoon coffee. Microwave it for 30 seconds. Chocolate coffee mixture is ready. Now take a bowl and add 200 milliliters whipping cream. Use blender to whip the cream. You can whip it with hand whisk. Now add chocolate coffee mixture, which we have prepared already. Now add 2 tablespoons caster sugar. Mix it well. Now dip the cake rusk in the coffee cocoa powder mixture. Assemble in the tray. In the same way, put the first layer of cake rusk. Now pour the whipped cream. Speared with the spoon. Now put the second layer of cake rusk. Now again for whipped cream mixture. Smooth the surface with a spoon. Sprinkle the rusk crumbs. Now at the end, dust the cocoa powder. It's ready. Now refrigerate for 3 hours. After 3 hours, it's ready to serve. Enjoy the most simplest and easiest dessert. looking so delicious. I hope you like the recipe.